Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can set the adaptive brightness on your Umidigi Power 3. So the Umidigi Power 3 out of the box does not have the adaptive brightness set up. So if you pull down your status bar here, you'll see you got your brightness slider. So the auto brightness, adaptive brightness I should say, is not set up, so you actually have to manually adjust the brightness out of the box. But in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can set up the adaptive brightness. First thing what you want to do is go into settings. So we're going to click on settings. Next, you want to go ahead and click on display. So click on display. And then right here, you're going to see adaptive brightness. And like I mentioned, out of the box, that is toggled off. So what you want to do is click on adaptive brightness. Now you can go ahead and enable, turn on the adaptive brightness, and as you can see it just got really bright, and this is going to adjust, the brightness will adjust depending on your environment. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out now. Let me go ahead and give you an example of how this adaptive brightness is going to work now. So I'm going to go ahead and pull down the status bar, and you can see where the brightness is right now. Now up on top you have a sensor there which basically lets the device know when it's time to raise up the brightness and when it's time to lower it down. So I'm going to go ahead and block the sensor real quick so there's no light coming in. And then you're going to see in just a moment that the brightness just dimmed itself down. That's the adaptive brightness working now. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my thumb from the sensor. And as you can see, the brightness cranked itself up because it can detect it needs some more light. But that's basically it. That's how adaptive brightness works and how you can enable it on your Umidigi Power 3. So if you found this video helpful, informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you on the next one.